In every town, there's a place where the smoke rises not just from fire, but from tradition. Tucked along this road is a stop every traveler should know, simple, humble, and unforgettable. For Jurls Seafoods and BBQ isn't just food, it's a daily ritual, passed down through experience and hard work. Each skewer tells a story, marinated with patience, grilled with care, and finished with flavor only time can perfect. Here, strangers become friends, and every bite feels like home, even if you're miles away from it. This isn't just a place you eat, it's a place you remember. So when your journey brings you here, follow the smoke. Because sometimes, the best destinations are found on a stick.